In this video, we will show you how to make your WordPress website faster than before. This is the newest tutorial because in here, we already give you some portion about how to make the WordPress website faster. And this is, we think is the most complete. Let's take the action with the actual website. For example, we have some website in here. Let's analyze on GTmetrix in here and click test your site. And before we make the touch, let's see the score on GTmetrix. We will give this tutorial is complete, so please see this video until it's done. Okay, you can see here the GTmetrix grid is C for performance and structure. It's not fair if we just test one time. Let's test the second time in here. Because sometimes the second is faster because it has gauge. But we will tweak the performance of this website, for example. And we will give this tutorial completed. So this make a full guide, we think. Okay, it's afraid the performance is 65 until 70, and the structure is about 95 until 96 in here. Okay, the first thing before you speed up your website, you better understand what makes your website is faster. Okay, first we think is the theme is very determine how your WordPress website fast later. So the basic is choose the right themes. Okay, in here we have a suggestion for you. You can select the theme is light, and one of example is WordPress. This is the pro version. You can also get the free version, but the pro is of course more features. Okay, I don't sponsor by WordPress. I'm using real my experience in here. And you can add the WordPress via dashboard and theme, and you can just type WordPress to get the free version. Okay, this is the WordPress for free version. You can just click install. This is the ones of the lightest theme we ever know. You can use any other themes, but this is just a recommendation for you, and you can click activate. Okay, after that we need some plugin, and this is we think the best for pro version is WP Rocket. WP Rocket is just available for pro version, but don't worry because we have alternative for you. Okay, you can see if you have much money, you can select the package for single, plus, or infinite. It's based many website that you can install with each package. And for free version, of course, we have solution. Uh, in our experience, WP Optimize is the best in our case because it's complete uh, for judging and optimize image, database, and etc. You can see more than 1 million active installation. Why we don't choose like Lightspeed Chachi? Because WP Optimize is compatible with uh, more server, and plugin like Lightspeed Chachi is special for a Lightspeed server. You can install this into your plugin, and we will tweak the configuration and give the trick in this video. So this is full guide for you. Okay, type woptimize on your plugin, click install now. Just click activate. Now in the WP Optimize, select Minify first. This is important. Enable the Minify, and then for JavaScript, and select defer all the JavaScript files, and select defer jQuery. If you have a problem with your theme later, you can exclude some JavaScript or jQuery in here. Okay, let's click Save Settings. On for Cage, let's enable this, and you can set the Cage lifespan and just make it 24 hours. It's the best. Okay, for preload you can also activate, but we don't need this first. And image, this is also important. Let's automatically compress new added image. Okay, you can also make the image is create for web p version of image. This is faster to load. Okay, using priorities maximum compression in the setting, and click okay, we don't need to click save change because automatically save. And in here, let's try to open our website first. Okay, let's copy this and test our site again in 2 times. We have another trick about some CDN on Cloudflare. Let's do again later, and but we test first in here. Let's tweak later. Okay, you can see the performance is 66%, but the structure is 99%. Let's test again because it's not fair if we test just one time. We will show you to tweak more faster later. Hoy lah. After you have the 100 performance, I think we don't need to make this higher again. Okay, because this is the maximum we can get. And if your site have much image, we suggest you also to use CDN like Cloudflare. And of course, you can make the image is lazy load for image. But that's all the basic. Hope this video helpful for you.